Hello my dear friend, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to practice some new English sentences which can help you to improve your English fluency. So let's start. Here is first sentence. I had been reading. I had been reading. You had been playing. You had been playing. Rita had been weeping. Rita had been weeping. They had been working. They had been working. I had not been playing. I had not been playing. Had I been playing? Had I been playing? He had not been sleeping. He had not been sleeping. Had he been sleeping? Had he been sleeping? I had been working. I had been working. We had been running. We had been running. You had been sleeping. You had been sleeping. You had been reading. You had been reading. She had been waiting. She had been waiting. Raj had been singing. Raj had been singing. They had been writing. They had been writing. The boys had been reading. The boys had been reading. The teacher had been teaching. The teacher had been teaching. They had been playing. They had been playing. I had not been singing. I had not been singing. He had not been sleeping. He had not been sleeping. Had you been playing? Had you been playing? Had they been waiting? Had they been waiting? Had the dogs been barking? Had the dogs been barking? They had been paying. They had been paying. Had they not been paying? Had they not been paying? You had been thinking. You had been thinking. Had you not been thinking? Had you not been thinking? He had been spoiling. He had been spoiling. Had he been spoiling? Had he been spoiling? I had been closing. I had been closing. She had been jumping. She had been jumping. Had she been jumping? Had she been jumping? They had been fighting. They had been fighting. They had not been fighting. They had not been fighting. Had they been fighting? Had they been fighting? Had they not been fighting? Had they not been fighting? I had been drawing. I had been drawing. I had not been drawing. I had not been drawing. Had I been drawing? Had I been drawing? Had I not been drawing? Had I not been drawing? My mother had been blessing. My mother had been blessing. My mother had not been blessing. My mother had not been blessing. Had my mother been blessing? Had my mother been blessing? Had my mother not been blessing? Had my mother not been blessing? You had been shaking. You had been shaking. You had not been shaking. You had not been shaking. Had you been shaking? Had you been shaking? Had you not been shaking? Had you not been shaking? She had been throwing. She had been throwing. She had not been throwing. She had not been throwing. Had she been throwing? Had she been throwing? Had she not been throwing? Had she not been throwing? They had been advising. They had been advising. They had not been advising. They had not been advising. Had they been advising? Had they been advising? Had they not been advising? Had they not been advising? I had been answering. I had been answering. I had not been answering. I had not been answering. Had I been answering? Had I been answering? Had I not been answering? Had I not been answering? Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe and share this video.